we've tested pickup on the carpet with the V7 and the V8 and found in every instance the V7 picked up better on carpet, despite it having less suction power than the V8. Now, we have done this test several times on the white carpet. It's a little hard to see after that, though. But we've got this black carpet runner. We've put down the same amount of rice on each side, and we're going to do a test. We're going to run the V8 and the V7 slowly across this, and hopefully when we're finished you can visually see the difference in pickup. Okay, so let's give that a try. Both machines will be in low power mode. All right, it's a little tricky for me to walk, but let's see what I can do here. Okay. Okay, now what does that look like? Yes, you can see the difference. It is a little bit surprising. However, we did do a test where we swapped those cleaner heads. So we put the V7 cleaner head on the V8 vacuum, did the same thing, and you find that all of a sudden the V8 is getting something a little closer to this, if not better. So it seems to be down to the cleaner head, and the cleaner heads between the two vacuums are slightly different.